Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be announcing the 4 winners of my paper pumpkin kit giveaway. I hope you'll stick around to see if you won and how to claim the prize. I'm so excited to be here today to announce all the winners of my recent giveaway to celebrate my 5,000 subscriber here on YouTube. Thank you to everyone who watched my June paper pumpkin alternative videos and took the time to look and listen for those secret words and then send them to me so you could be entered in the giveaway. In front of you on the screen are all the alternatives I made with the June 2019 paper pumpkin kit. I have to say I wasn't too crazy when I first got the kit seeing how small those cards are, but I have fallen in love with the alternatives that I have made, and I'm so glad that I shared them here. If you haven't seen the videos, I do have the playlist linked below if you want to go check it out. But let's go ahead and get to what you're really here for, to find out if you won one of the paper pumpkin kits. Now, I will let you know at the end of the video, after I announce all the winners, I will tell you how to contact me to claim the prize if you got one. But if your name does not get called today, do not despair. I will be giving the winners just a certain time frame to contact me before I do redraws, because in the past I have given away stuff and then nobody ever contacts me. So I really want to get these codes out to subscribers who want them. So again, if you didn't win, don't worry. Stay subscribed and keep checking back in case I do a redraw. Are you ready to find out who won? On the screen in front of you is the spreadsheet that I will be using for the drawings today. Each time I received an emailed entry, I entered the person's YouTube username, their first name, and then the number of entries they got. So if you look at Julie's here, she gave me 5 words, so her name was copy and pasted 5 times. I'll give you a look here at all the names in the list so you can double check for yours if I replied and said, "Gotcha added, thanks for entering." Once one person wins one of the prizes, I will remove their name from future drawings. So what I did is I got 4 tabs ready at the bottom, drawing 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I will copy and paste everybody's name from the first list, making sure to take off that header row because I don't want to include that when I go to do the drawing. So that will leave me with 271 entries for the first drawing. I will be using random.org, so I'll type in 271, hit generate, and see who the first winner is. Number 218. Congratulations to Annette McGinnis. Annette, make sure to listen all the way to the end of the video to find out how you can claim your prize. For the second drawing, I will copy and paste that same list into drawing number 2 tab, and then I go in and I remove all of the rows that had Annette's name in it. That will leave us with 267 entries for the second drawing. So again, I go back into random.org. Now I type in 267 and generate. And the winner is number 234. Congratulations to Lucy Schmidt. Lucy, congratulations. Again, make sure you listen until the end of the video to find out how to claim your prize. For the next drawing, I do just the same as before. I will copy all of the names in this list, paste them into the drawing number 3 tab, and then remove Lucy's name before I do the next drawing. That will leave us with a total of 262 entries for the third drawing. So again, random.org, generate, and the new number is 169. Congratulations to Becky Anderson. Congratulations, Becky. Once again, make sure to listen to the end of the video to find out how you can claim your prize. For the fourth and final drawing, once again, I will do the same as before. Copy, paste, remove the previous winner, and then I will tell you how many total entries we have for that. Once I remove Becky's name, we have a total of 257 entries for the final drawing. I'll enter that new number into random.org, generate once again to get my final winner, which is number 224. And a final congratulation goes to, I hope I pronounce this right, Pamsty917. Congratulations, Pam. Stay tuned to find out how you're going to claim your prize. Congratulations to all of the winners. I wish that I could give each and every one of you something, but alas, since I foot the bill for all the giveaways here on my channel, I am not able to do that. If your name was drawn as one of the 4 winners today, which it is July 3rd, I need you to contact me no later than midnight on July 9th. Now the reason for that is, I believe to get the July paper pumpkin kit, you have to order on or before the 10th. So if you wanted to get this next kit, you need to contact me as soon as possible to ensure that. So I want you to send me an email at callmecraftyal@gmail.com. That is in the description box below. And in the subject line, put paper pumpkin winner. In the body of the email, I want you to tell me your YouTube username, since there will be 4 of you contacting me. Once you have sent that email, come back to this video, leave a comment below with the first 3 letters of your email address. That way I have connected your YouTube account to the email address. I want to make sure these get out to the right people. Once you have done both of those things, I will then get a hold of you with the paper pumpkin code, and I think they might have even sent me some instructions on how you can redeem it. If I'm not contacted by one or more of the winners on July 9th or before, I will come back a few days later and do a redraw. Unfortunately, if you are part of the redraw, if I have to do one, you won't be able to get the July kit, but you can always start with August. Thanks again for entering, and until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.